The Riverfront Park is home to approximately 32 species, ranging in size from a 5-gram shrew to the 100-kilogram white-tailed deer. Included in this rich assemblage of mammals are the Virginia opossum, 6 to 7 species of moles and shrews, 4 to 5 species of bats, 1 rabbit species, at least 14 species of squirrels, mice, voles, rats, and beaver, 7 species of foxes, raccoons, weasels, mink, and skunk, and the white-tailed deer. While park visitors should be familiar with some of the more common species, such as possum, eastern gray squirrel, woodchuck, or white-footed mouse, they may be surprised to know that the park is also home to less familiar species, like the southern flying squirrel, fox squirrel, mink, and red fox. This rich diversity of mammalian fauna is due primarily to the range of different habitats found in this unique floodplain ecosystem. Several meadows, a high canopy forest, a rich herbaceous ground cover, fallen trees and branches, small ephemeral ponds, and the river's edge collectively provide a diversity of food and shelter for the many species of mammals that call this park their home.